Hey everybody, we are here at Len Busch Roses, Flowers Between Friends. I'm Georgia Edgington, lead designer here at Len Busch.
I'm Kristen Thomas, marketing coordinator here, and because July is American Grown Flowers Month, Minnesota Grown American Grown Flowers Month, we thought it'd be a great time to show them some newbies.
Yes, we have new things here at Len Busch Roses, and of course it's our job to help bring those to. So what do we have that's new, Kristen? I'm excited to learn.
I think Georgia already knows, it's why we're standing here. But we do have some new Ulstro and Gerbera varieties.
Yes.
So as you can see, we're actually in the Ulstro house. And sorry, we have a new yellow. So
we do, and it's called
Florida.
So we're in Florida right now.
Oh, it feels like
so
it.
hot.
It does feel like it. Yeah, so
It's
we
beautiful.
say, it's a nice, bright, sunshiny yellow.
Which I can see why they chose the name Florida for it.
Yep, absolutely.
Certainly wouldn't be Massachusetts or anything like that.
No.
This is such a beautiful, bright yellow. You're going to use it for any kind of beautiful design where you want pops of yellow. It's gorgeous. What I really like about it is the long breaks right now that we're getting, and we may not always get it during the whole growing season, which we grow, 365 days a year with our Ulstro. But right now we are these nice long breaks, and it's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blooms on this one stalk. That's amazing.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
That's
why
great.
everybody loves our Ulstro area.
Exactly.
Yes.
That's why we are known for Ulstro and Gerb. So
true.
we've got great things happening.
Yes.
So
We're
moving
gonna
right
move to another color.
along, we're going to different color. Okay, we've got to pass by our champagne, which has been an amazing seller for our customers. You guys love champagne, and because you love it so much, what did we do?
We added more beds of it.
We did. So if it's been tough for you to get, hopefully it won't be that tough for you anymore, because we have more of it that we're growing now for you.
Yeah, we're excited about that. I think it's one of Georgia and my favorites,
it is.
especially during the wedding season.
Because
for sure.
blushes are still really in, they're really popular. So this gorgeous color, it's just amazing for all of those types of event work.
Agreed.
Not just weddings, but even event
That's
work,
true.
anything. Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah, the
so
soft
we're
colors.
moving on into what, Kristen? What variety we're heading into next?
Our next one is actually Motion, and when we first got it, we weren't sure if it was going to be more of an orange, more of a coral, a peach.
Right.
So we had to wait until they got a little more mature for us to name the color. And I think we've come up now, right, that it is more of a coral
It's
color.
a little bit more coral. Yep. Yeah, absolutely. I totally agree with that. And
Can you
again,
see the color okay?
look at the long breaks and look at the beautiful blossoms. This has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blossoms on this. It's amazing. It's just gorgeous. So, but Kristen, some people look at this and they go, well, is it kind of peachy, apricot-y, corally? We really think it's more corally. And Kristen, hold up that blush next to it, the champagne.
Sure.
So take a look. You've got the champagne blush here, and you've got Motion here. So you can see how one is definitely more corally, a little bit more, you definitely see that pinky orange tinge, and this is definitely more on the blush tones, a little bit more pinky. So yeah, great comparison.
Yep. I love the two of them.
They're beautiful. They're absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for this little broken
well, yeah,
end.
do you want me to hold it?
He's perfect.
Georgia has allergies actually to Ulstro, so I
get Ulstro rash, so Kristen gets to hold those. Okay, so from here, Pompeii. So we're headed to a different part of the world right now?
Yes, we are. Yeah, right. I wouldn't mind going to Pompeii, actually.
Yeah, so we're just going to scurry off over to Pompeii.
Pompeii was another one that we weren't sure about the color when we first started to grow it, if it was going to be more of a purple, a burgundy, even a fuchsia.
Right. It's definitely, well, here's a beautiful bloom right down
there you go.
here.
There's a good one. Do you want me to show it?
Yeah, you want to grab it, pull it on up. And
we won't be harvesting this one because it's so short, so it's okay that I'm doing this.
Yep, Kristen's, and everything's been harvested already. They harvest early in the morning. This time of season or this time of year is just so warm down here in the greenhouses that they come in early and harvest for us. So, but that is just a beautiful, brilliant color.
Gosh.
This is going to be used all year long. You're going to want, well, all of these colors are, but what a beautiful tone this is.
And we decided decided burgundy was the color to say.
Sure.
Yes, versus purple, fuchsia, hot pink. It is more of a burgundy, a brighter burgundy, maybe.
A brighter burgundy,
cranberry.
Yes,
cranberry
absolutely.
color.
I think it's gorgeous, just beautiful.
Yep.
But paired with so many different things. This is just paired with yellows in the fall and oranges, and paired with blushes
Right.
and whites and sage greens for wedding time. It's a little pop of color. This is just going to be a gorgeous, gorgeous astro again. And again, look at all the blooms.
Oh my
Whoa,
gosh, there's
just
so many
amazing.
flowers on
I
this
know.
one.
Just amazing. So you're definitely getting your money's worth with Pompeii.
Yeah, agreed. And this was one that the sales team was really excited about when we
Yeah.
got it. So yeah. All right, out of
And
the
now,
Astro,
out of the Astro into the
Gerbs.
Gerbs.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's go. So here we are. We're in the Gerb house after that long walk all the way from the Ulster area. Thanks for coming with us.
Yes, thank you guys.
We have, what,
Traveling.
4 new varieties of Gerbs?
We do.
Okay.
And the first one here we're going to talk about is Larissa. And look at how beautiful she is. She's this gorgeous peach.
Love that peach color.
I love her light, soft center. Oh gosh, this is going to be gorgeous for
Yes, agreed.
any kind of design work. Of course, you know, we think weddings and event work, but anything. Just whatever you need to put in your cooler. Gosh, she's
I think that's one of the best
gorgeous.
peaches we've ever had.
I know, it's truly a
Just
peach.
saying.
That's the cool thing about it.
Agreed. Okay, stop,
And
because this
then-
is my favorite.
Oh yes, okay, yeah. Oh yes. The little
This is
she's
so
a cupcake.
darn cute.
I know, and she's a mini.
Yep, she is a
And
mini.
I just think it's so fun because she's going to be bicolor with beautiful medium pink on the outside, kind of a bright actually more of a bright bubblegum pink.
Bubblegum pink
Yeah.
is a good name for
and
it. Yeah.
then a white center
Yep.
around that dark eye.
Yep.
Absolutely adorable.
Yes, love this one. It'll be
Oh.
fun to play with.
She's cute as a cupcake.
She is for sure. And it looks like by the size of some of them down the
row.
Thank
Yeah.
you. That we should be harvesting, some
Right.
numbers now. So keep your eye open in your carts.
Yep, I was thinking the same about a lot of these. They
Yeah.
look like we maybe haven't harvested yet today, or maybe it's a non-harvest day.
It mightn't be
yeah,
for
a non-harvest day.
Gerbers. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, for sure.
And then we get to move on to Forbes, which is an awesome red with a light eye.
Yep.
So it's really kind of cool because the color eye does make a difference when you're designing.
with
You know, we talk about tints, tones, and shades all the time, and those of us who are in the design world and the color world know that a dark eye versus a light eye will really make a difference in your overall look and piece. So keep that in mind when you're ordering flowers and when you're designing with them. When it comes to gerbs or anything that has a different colored eye or center, really does make a difference when it comes to all of your tints, tones, and shades as you put something together.
Yeah, makes
So
sense.
Forbes has a nice light yellow-green eye, and it's beautiful. Petal count is amazing. The head of the gerb is gorgeous.
I was just going to say that the head is a really nice big size.
It really, really is. A nice flat dome too
Yep, that's
to
a pretty
it as
one.
well.
And it looks like we have a couple of rows of this one.
Right,
So
yep.
we should have good numbers in this also.
Absolutely, because there's even a couple more down here, I think, or
No,
no,
I
maybe
think they
they're
kept
all
them
over
together.
there. Yeah. Okay, so then we've got the Pandora.
Pandora.
Yes, which is also another red, but it's got the dark eye. So take a look. And it's really, gosh, when you look down into that, amazing, the color. The brilliance is striking.
Yeah, this is a beautiful gerb also.
Absolutely gorgeous. Very, very pretty.
There won't be enough of them when Christmas time comes because everybody's going to want them.
Everybody's going to want these for sure.
And I'm sure that's why we planted a couple different reds for right now, just because for the holidays numbers
coming up.
Yep, and
Fall,
then going into Valentine's Day too.
Winter,
right.
Christmas, right into Valentine's.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
We need to have some nice reds. For sure.
And I understand from our growers that we have a few more new ones coming as well, and a couple different textural varieties.
Oh, good.
I saw a sneak peek, and oh my gosh, can't wait to bring them to you.
Fun.
They're gerbs, but they've got a new, different texture to them.
Novelty.
They're really cool.
Oh,
exactly.
Yay. Okay, how long do we have to wait? Do we know?
Well, it's going to be a few months
Okay.
because if Sarah turns around and gives you a sneak peek, we're turning a whole nother greenhouse into another gerb house.
Yes.
So not just 2, we are now going to have 3.
Yeah, that says a lot.
Right.
And those guys are working hard in there, getting all organized, and some pots have already actually been planted.
Yep.
Nothing's popping up yet,
Nothing's
but there are
popping up yet,
spots
but
in there.
They've got it going.
Yeah,
So,
fun. Yay.
once again here at Len Busch, Flowers Between Friends brings the new stuff
Anything
to our
new.
customers.
Yep.
Absolutely.
For sure. Have a great week, everybody, and stay cool.